This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Carla Lopez. Welcome to this spacious, single-story residence situated on an oversized corner lot. This home features a split floor plan with 4 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms, including a cabana bath ready for a future swimming pool. The 4th bedroom includes its own private bathroom and a complete closet system. The modern kitchen is equipped with quartz countertops, a hood stove, and stainless steel appliances. Additional highlights include laminate flooring, stylish barn doors, impact windows, and a tiled master bathroom with a freestanding soaking tub. The property features numerous upgrades throughout, including solar panels. We invite you to come and see it for yourself. Professional photos coming soon. For more information, review the details below.